Journey to early retirement or optional retirement. So when you say early retirement, age 55 po yan. On the other hand, optional retirement refers to age 60. Yes, friends, yan po ang plano natin. Early retirement, kung may offer or ma-approve yung age 55 or age 60, optional retirement. So while waiting sa retirement days natin, kasi I'm 52, ang ginawa ko, friends, nag-create na ako ng small business as early as now. Ito po. So meron tayong chess club, meron tayong darts club, meron tayong indoor basketball, tsaka indoor billiard. So AMN Sports Events Management and Services. Dito lang po sa bahay ko. So ang ginawa ko, nag-loan ako sa Land Bank, GSIS, and Pag-ibig. So okay lang po yan, friends, na mag-loan tayo as long as gamitin natin sa small business. Right? So I suggest gawin din nyo ito, friends, before you retire. Because there is a saying, passive income is better than active income. And most importantly, do not rely sa pension lang ninyo. Alright? Points to ponder, friends. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.